Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be talking about the Vistas at Montego Bay. This is a hotel that's being built on the hip strip in Montego Bay. Now this hotel is going to cost, or it's estimated to cost $100 million US dollars. And believe it or not, that's actually a small hotel compared to some of the others that are being built. There is a $500 million hotel being built in Hanover, the Princess Resort, and that's going to be over 2,000 rooms. And you have another massive development that's taking place in Lilliput in St. James in Montego Bay. That one is the Hard Rock Cafe, the Hard Rock Casino complex. And then you have another project at Harmony Cove, but I'm not sure what's going on with that one. But we are actually looking at the hip strip now, and a lot of development is going on in Jamaica. The tourism industry in Jamaica is booming. Jamaica has the Sangster International Airport, which is one of the top airports in the Caribbean. It's the busiest airport in the English-speaking Caribbean. Then Jamaica has the cruise ship pier in Falmouth, which is the #1 cruise ship pier in the Caribbean. And the Sangster International Airport wins awards for being the best airport in the Caribbean for 14 years. The Falmouth cruise ship pier won the award for the best cruise ship pier in the world. So Jamaica has so much to offer tourism, and that's why you have so many hotels going up, because you can get to Jamaica so easily now, and people are coming. And just to give you an example of what's going on, more hotel rooms are being built in Jamaica now than ever before. You have some 8,500 rooms coming on board shortly that will be ready, and that's not enough. That's how things are booming in Jamaica. The country just went through, well, the entire world went through COVID, and Jamaica has rebounded so well. Alright, so we're going to take a look at this hotel that's being built on the hip strip. Now the hip strip is being renovated. The government is going to spend up to $1 billion, and this is the actual hip strip we're looking at. You have a lot of hotels, restaurants, you have Margaritaville, you have Starbucks, you have Harmony Beach Park. Is it Harmony? And then you have Doctor's Cove Beach. On the left is the beach side. On the right is some hotels. You have hotels on the left, but most of them are on the right. And this hotel is being built on the hip strip, and it's a new US $100 million resort style development for Montego Bay. So that's Margaritaville on the left, and there's a casino on the right. And as we head further up the road, you're going to come up to Starbucks, and you're going to see a lot of hotels along the strip. We have other videos up that go into more details about the actual strip, but today we're going to talk about the hotel that's being built. So we're going to go through an article that's going to give us a lot more information on the project. A new US $100 million luxury mixed resort style residential development is coming to Montego Bay, which will provide some 300 jobs for Jamaicans. Ground was officially broken on Friday for the Vista, which will be situated on Jimmy Cliff Boulevard, popularly known as the Hip Strip. The project is a joint venture between CNH Property Development Company and Money Masters Real Estate and Infrastructure Investment Limited. The partners have established Vista Montego Bay Resorts Development Limited as a special purpose vehicle for the project. Minister of Tourism Honorable Edmund Bartlett, in his address at the groundbreaking, commended the developers, both of which are local entities, for investing in the island. There is no happier minister today than me to see a local homegrown Jamaican rock bred man and woman investing in tourism at this time. I love to see when Jamaicans invest in our industry, he said. The minister said that Montego Bay is going to be the most significant tourism center in the region over the next 5 years because of the developments that are planned for the city. Half of the projects we are not ready to disclose because we're still working on designs, still working on geotechnical feasibility studies, and so on. What I can say to you is that this administration is satisfied that Montego Bay has the potential for transformation into a resort town development, the likes of which does not exist anywhere in the Americas, he noted. Construction of the Vista will be undertaken in phases over 48 months. Phase 1 will include the development of 30 units consisting of 1-bedroom and 2-bedroom suites, lofts, as well as penthouses. Phase 2, 3, and 4 will all include residential and commercial spaces. Each tower will have studios, 1-bedroom and 2-bedroom suites, as approximately 10,000 square feet, as well as approximately 10,000 square feet of commercial space. Alright, so that is the end of the article. And when they said, let me go back to this part. The minister said that Montego Bay is going to be the most significant tourism center in the region over the next 5 years because of the developments that are planned for the city. Now that is so true. Montego Bay is the main tourist destination for people visiting the island, mainly because the busiest airport in Jamaica is the Sangster International Airport, and 85% of the people who come through that airport are tourists. And the airport is being expanded as we speak. It's being upgraded, the runway is being extended, and they expect even more traffic. So Montego Bay is the ideal place to transform into the tourism center. They also have a cruise ship pier, and then the Falmouth cruise ship pier is probably 15 minutes away from Montego Bay. So you find that Montego Bay is the hub for tourists. So whether you're going to Negril, you come into Montego Bay. Whether you're going to Ocho Rios or Falmouth or Port Antonio, chances are you're going to come in through Montego Bay. So it's very important that Montego Bay be upgraded and all these works carried out. We will keep you up to date on all the projects, and we're going to follow this project. We're going to follow every project that we talk about. We're going to give you updates as regularly as we can and keep you guys updated until all the projects are finished that we speak about. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.